Baking a pizza on a pizza stone is a great way to get that crispy, crackly crust that we all love. But transferring that pizza from the peel onto the stone could be a very tricky business. You'd have toppings flying all over the place and the biggest mess in your oven you've ever seen. But there's a better way. This tip comes to us from our reader, Don Crane from Burnaby, British Columbia. His trick is to put a piece of parchment right on your peel. You want to make sure that your parchment is bigger than your pizza. Add your toppings. Oh, that basil smells so good. Okay guys, now we're going to go into the oven. Slide the pizza, parchment and all, onto the stone. About halfway through the cooking, you want to pull that parchment right out from under the pizza. You might need to use some tongs to hold the pizza back. And the remaining time, the bottom of the pizza will get nice and brown and crispy from the pizza stone. Let's take a look, guys. Let's see, look at that. Nice crackly crust. Oh, listen to that crisp. Thanks, Don, for making our lives a lot easier. For more tips and recipes, visit findcooking.com.